2 of 30 days challenge where we are going to start from basics to the pro design. So कल हम लोगों ने देखे थे बेसिक टूल्स जो हमें मंडला के लिए रिक्वायर्ड है. दीज आर द बेसिक टूल्स विच आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर मंडला. मुझे काफी सारे लोगों ने डीएम करके बोला इंस्टाग्राम पे कि आपका लाइव आप हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों लैंग्वेजेस में करो. सो फ्रॉम टुडे विल बी फॉलोइंग बोथ द लैंग्वेजेस. ओके, सो बेसिक डॉट मंडला के लिए हमें ये बेसिक टूल्स लगते हैं. दिस इज सेट ऑफ 5 टूल्स and this flat based tools is set of 7 tools. Okay, few of them are here and there. So okay, so what I call these tools as transparent plastic tools and these are the colorful ones. Okay, डिफरेंस ये होता है कि इनके जो डॉट्स के साइजेस होते हैं ये डिफरेंट होते हैं. And these are the pinpoint tools. Okay, in most of the market you will find them as a nail art tool also, but I call them pinpoint tool. In this you will get a set of 5. So there is pen sizes. Each side has a different size. Okay, so let's start with the first thing. So mandala में basically 3 designs होते हैं. Any mandala you see, okay, whether it is 18 inch, whether it is 20 inch, whether it is 60 inches, there are dots, there are strokes and there are brush strokes. We call them as a swooshes. Okay, so as a day one part we'll be learning how to make the dots. Okay, so dots करने के लिए basically you have to take the pinpoint tool or you have to take the flat tool. Now these days you get very fancy shaped tools as well. So these kind of a flower tools also you get oval tool or a teardrop tools also. But for the basics I would suggest you to buy the set of these tools. You get this for very easily in the market. So let's start with the first one. So for the first one we'll dip our tool and we'll place a dot. Every time you want to make a dot you will dip your tool. Okay, like this. So we have a different sizes of tool available. So this is the smaller one. Now I'll take slightly bigger tool. Okay, so I'll take this tool and we'll start with the dots on the next row. Okay. Now for the next one, we'll take flat tools. So this is a set of 5 tools out of which this is the smaller one. Okay. So let me just take another color and start placing the dots. So for the homework today, what you're going to do is you will take few dotting tools. Okay, this pinpoint tools, at least 3 to 4 tools you will take, and from each side you will make the row of dots. Okay, so for homework you will make at least 10 row of dots with at least these 4 tools. Okay, and then you will take flat tools. Okay, and flat tools से भी आपने same चीज करना है. So let me just do it. Just dip and dot. Okay, we'll be just following this thing. First we'll learn all the basics and then we'll go ahead with the next steps. Okay, so coming to this part, I'm just taking slightly bigger tool so that you know the how the sizes are changing. Okay, बहुत प्रेशर देके डॉट्स नहीं बनाने हैं, just normally you can do it. Okay, now let's go for the bigger one and mark it in a center like this. So let's quickly make one smaller mandala so that we all can just practice it together. Okay, so I'm just taking the smaller tool and I will start from inside. Okay, I'll start from inside. Dip and dot. You just have to repeat the same thing. Okay, एंड जैसे जैसे आप करने लगोगे आपको लगेगा कि ये एकदम मेडिटेटिव प्रोसेस में आप एंटर हो गए हो. ओके, As you can see, the speed, यही speed आपने maintain करना है so that आपके सारे dots evenly बने. Okay. Okay. Now for the next dots, we'll take, we can take the same color or we can take the next color also. Let's do it with same color. When you keep practicing, it becomes a meditation. So before sleeping every day, 15 minutes, you can just take a notebook and just practice these things. With every dot, you start releasing your stress, anxiety, or whatever you are feeling right now. It just becomes a therapy. Okay. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll be playing a meditation music also with this so that your mind starts relaxing. Okay. So do tune into the life so you have that peaceful experience that I experience every single day after the hectic day. You just need basic stuff. Just take paper, one scale pencil, compass, and this set of tools. You are actually sorted with that. Okay. And if you want to like make the advanced patterns and designs and everything, once you practice this basics, you can do join my workshops. Links are there in description. Okay. So when you start practicing with me for next 30 days, you will be at a position to work on the big mandalas as well. Okay. So like we work on 30-inch, 40-inch mandalas, you can easily do them. Okay. So as we reach towards the end of the design, you will feel that's a calming process. Okay. Now for the last row, I'm just taking slightly bigger tool. Okay. So you can just go through this and try practicing at home. This is just the basic simple dots. With that, we have made this design. Okay. In tomorrow's class, we'll learn walking of dots, we'll learn running of dots. After that, we'll learn how to make the small, simple designs with just dots. Okay. I hope you liked today's session. It was a quick, small, short session at late at the night, but just to give you all a heads up that we are starting something amazing. Okay, so do subscribe, do share this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell like icon so that you never miss an update. Okay, make sure to join to every day. We'll be learning something new. Okay, and please keep replaying this so you can practice it with me. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Good night. Good day, everyone. Bye bye.